Hey, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some thrilling news from the frontier of space technology. Buckle up because ExoTerra Resources just got a significant boost that could change the game for microsatellite propulsion systems. So, what's the buzz all about? ExoTerra, a cutting-edge company based in Colorado, has just raised a whopping $8 million to ramp up the production of their revolutionary Halo Hall effect thrusters. This funding comes from the Lago Innovation Fund, part of Lago Asset Management, and trust me, this is a game changer. ExoTerra's CEO, VanWoerkom, shared some exciting details. Since their first successful demonstration of the Halo thruster last year, the demand has skyrocketed. They now have a backlog of over 200 propulsion modules to produce. Can you believe it? With the new investment, ExoTerra plans to expand their staff and facilities to meet this surging demand. Currently, ExoTerra can produce 8 modules per month, but with the Lago investment, they aim to increase this to 20 modules per month. That's right, they're more than doubling their production capacity. This will help them meet customer commitments and push the boundaries of what's possible in space tech. What makes the Halo Hall effect thruster so special? Well, it first fired in orbit in 2023 on DARPA Blackjack Aces satellites, manufactured by RTX subsidiary Blue Canyon Technologies. Since then, it's been a hot commodity in the space industry. The technology is not only efficient, but also highly reliable, making it a top choice for small satellite propulsion. ExoTerra isn't stopping there. They've recently opened a massive 3,500 square meter facility near their headquarters in Littleton, Colorado. This state-of-the-art facility is designed to produce 32 propulsion modules per month. Talk about scaling up. Heather Lafreniere, Lago's co-founder and managing partner, expressed her excitement about the investment. She said, "We seek companies that push boundaries, and ExoTerra is quickly proving to be a leader in space tech with their proprietary technology and innovations. We're so pleased to work with this impressive team as they continue to grow and innovate their way into the future." ExoTerra, founded in 2011, has been at the forefront of designing, manufacturing, and testing electric propulsion elements for small satellites. With this new funding and expansion, they're set to lead the charge into the next era of space exploration. So, what does this mean for the future of space tech? With companies like ExoTerra pushing the boundaries, we can expect more efficient, reliable, and innovative propulsion systems. This could open up new possibilities for satellite deployment, space exploration, and even commercial space travel. Stay tuned to our channel for more exciting updates from the world of space tech. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big.